Hey, Tim again. Don't you hate that when you dang kind of half awake, half asleep? That's the way all my nights have been, both half awake, not really awake, not really asleep. Got stupid shit going in your head since the wife passed away and left me all alone and all this stuff. Boy, it really driving me crazy. But I feel I get up and start doing my things and start feeling good. It usually catches up at the end of the day. I went ahead and trimmed out some dang trees and stuff. I dang get like that there, so it can grow out more. I started thinking about that. Wanted to get it so they open up instead of this big, I don't know, boy. I'll probably just dang killing time to do things. I don't know, boy. Like I say, action's law. I swore I wasn't gonna open up any new projects, but I think I'm gonna anyway. Dang, I got a freaking I built a lean-to for myself. Let me flop this around. I built a lean-to for my RV because I was fixing the roof of the RV and got tired of it raining on the thing. But yeah, I built that sucker myself. Them beams up the top, them were the hardest to put up by myself. But like I say, I wasn't thinking about making get another project going, open another can of worms. I think on the back of this, I'm gonna build me a little weight room, I guess, workout area off the back. Come off the back here, go down. I think I'm gonna make the roof so that I can pull the RV up and like work on the front of the lights and stuff. But I got enough stuff to do though. I'm remodeling the damn trailer, tenants trashed out. That way I can work on my stuff without, standing on the hood and everything. But I guess I'm gonna open another can of worms. Like I say, I got that whole front up there. All that damn all that work up there where they trashed there was holes in the wall. She had let mice go through there and tear holes through things, and I don't know if I'm gonna rent it out again. I think maybe just fix it up, so it ain't trash, and get all the crap out of there. And then if my kids have a hard time or hit a rough spot, or heck, grandkids are getting older too, boy. I think my oldest one's about turning 16 this year. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base, get a little bit more off my chest. Man, I just like I say, action's law. This stuff catches up with me at midday. I took a nap yesterday. Man, that's a big mistake, boy. You dang fall out and then you get up and then, I don't know, it like backfires or whatever on you. And they've all been backfiring on me lately. Usually I used to be able to get a 20-minute power nap to keep me going. But I need to just keep going. And that's going to be hard because sometimes I'm like, oh, man, I think it's a coffee crash. I've been cutting back on that shit, too, because I've been waking up dizzy and shit. But if you just keep moving, keep pushing, it makes me feel better. I know it will you, too. Dang, like I keep saying, man, get something going. I got that free ebook down there. It's free. They asked for a $3 donation. Just put in 0. It's basic on how to get an ebook going or a course or something. It's dang free. I mean, it ain't no reason not to check that out, boy. You could have an ebook at the end of the day and start marketing that thing, boy. Make some damn money. Make it on your own damn terms. Because, and that's part that's damn keeping me going, too, is trying to make things, build things, and trying to make money, trying to save money. I like saving money. I like my bubblegum money now. Like, share, subscribe. Give me some comments down below. I'll try to show you how I'm going on this progress here. I ain't decided if I'm gonna start that right away or not, because like I say, I want to get that dang mobile home straightened out. I'm trying to get things taken care of so that I got less on my brain and I can start, because I plan on doing a bunch of traveling. I want to get back out fishing some more, and I'm thinking about going down to Brownsville, down on the border of Mexico, checking that out. My grandma and grandpa used to go down there every year and run campgrounds and stuff, and then they'd come back up to Lake Shelbyville in Illinois. But like, share, subscribe. Both of you going through some bad stuff, stick with me, help me out, comment and let me know what I can do better. You got any questions? Like I say, even if you ain't going through bad stuff, man, prepare yourself, because your loved ones or whatever, or you're gonna die one day. I mean, I know that too. That's why I say all this is just borrowed time. And if you ain't focusing on life and making yourself better and everything else better, you just ain't going nowhere. You won't. You're just gonna be in that loop. Like I said, people live dang the same year 70 times and call it a life. Anyways, things are looking pretty up. Like I say, I hit hard times sometimes, but when it's just sometimes I can't even pull out of it, man, no matter where I go or what I do. But like I say, stick with me, bear with me, stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh no one. That's living, baby.